Hey everyone, it's Ross from ASUS here, and we're joining Sony on their Kando ANZ trip for 2025, and we're showcasing our ProArt PCs and displays. So come check out what we've been up to down on the Kando trip and here in the ProArt editing suite. At the heart of our editing suite is our ProArt PC powered by ASUS. It features our new ProArt PA401 case and is packed with our latest ProArt Z890 Creator Wi-Fi Intel motherboard chipset, and featuring the ProArt RTX 5080 graphics card, which brings powerful performance and enhances your PC editing capabilities. The ProArt display here is our PA27JCV, giving us stunning 5K resolution and incredible color accuracy for photo and video work alike. And for even more demanding workflows, we have the PA32QCV 6K resolution monitor, which delivers unmatched clarity and detail for your creative workflows. These tools are designed to support creators at every level, bringing reliability, color precision, and equipped with features built for the modern studio. It's been amazing connecting with the creative community here at Sony Kando and seeing all of our ProArt gear in action. Massive thanks to Sony for having us along for the Kando trip in ANZ for this year, and we look forward to continuing to empower creators everywhere.